welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bianca. In today's video, I am starting off with my hair not even done. I literally just got out the shower. And I also have my base makeup done. So my foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour, brows, all of that. Because today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new ColourPop California Love collection. They recently just sent this to me a few days ago and I thought it'd be perfect to film a little review on their mini collection that they just dropped. So this collection contains the eyeshadow palette. It also contains two volumizing mascaras. These are the BFF mascaras. So cute. It says Rusting Beach Face right on the side. And we have a pink and a brown shade. And then we also do have 5 blotting lip shades. I will be using all of these products in today's video, creating a eye look using this palette, and then I'm going to try out one of these mascaras, and then I will do a swatch for you guys at the end of this video to show you guys all of the lip shades. But if you aren't already subscribed, I would appreciate it if you hit the red subscribe button down below. It would help me out so much. Let's grow this family even bigger. And yeah, let's get on with this video. Alright, so obviously first I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow palette. This palette, guys, is so stunning. I am obsessed with how the palm trees are foiled. And then California Love is actually 3D and you can feel the texture of it. I love that. And the packaging is super smooth. It's actually really nice. So the back of it, same thing. The names are foiled, which I love. And then when we open up the palette, we have California Love again right up here. All of the beautiful, summery, bronzy, golden shades that I am obsessed with. Some of these shades do have like some glitters in it. So like this is definitely a shimmer. Down here we have shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. But then if you look at this one, it has some gold flakes, and so doesn't this one. We definitely do have a nice variety of lighter, warmer shades, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm just gonna hop in and start playing with this, and let's just see what this palette is about. Alright, so the first shade that I'll be taking is this shade right here, which is called El Captain. Wow, that is very pigmented. But look at that shimmer. My finger literally just dusted on like the side of the palette. Wow. Oh, and that shade was El Captain. I'm going in with the shade Laguna. Hold up. This is pigmented. Wow, guys, I was not expecting that pigment, especially for how light the shade is. I was not expecting that payoff. A bitch was not ready. Okay, I can fuck with this. And I will say, if you guys are the type to like say something about fallout, it does have some fallout. This is the shade that I'm using right here, but that does not bother me at all. I just figured I'd let you know. And I feel like good quality shadows like are gonna have some fallout, you know what I mean? Like it's not falling on my face at all. It's just, you know, when the brush taps into it, it's gonna, you know, kick back a little bit. I feel like that's normal. I can't get over this, guys. This is so easy to blend out. Per usual, I don't even know what kind of look I'm going for, guys. I just started popping this orange shade all over my lid. It's so summery and I'm just like obsessed. Let's move on to the next shade. I feel like the shade's pretty blended out. Kind of want to see what this sequoia? I don't know. How do you say this word? Sequoia. That I was so off. I was dead ass so off. I can't with myself sometimes, honestly. Like I really can't. And I'm going to be using the JH36 brush. This is from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collection. The first brush that I used was also from her collection. This is a JH30 brush, and this is just like a big fluffy universal blending brush. This one's a little bit shorter, more flat at the top, and a little bit more precise. It's still going to be like a little fluffy, but it's not going to be as big and fluffy. So I'm going to go in with that next shade, Sequoia. I feel like when I lift this mirror up, yeah, it gets a lot darker. Yeah, it's going to be a literal sunset on my lid. Wow, this is perfect. Actually, I think I want to go in with a different brush. This is the JH33. This one's a little bit more precise for the crease area. I think I'm just gonna like leave these two shades on and just intensify it in a second. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Cruisin', which is right here. Oh, she's cute. I fucks with her. Alright, so now that that's laid down in the front, I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to go in with the shade Diego right here, which is a little bit more darker than Cruisin'. And this shade actually looks a little foiled, or more foiled, I guess, than the other ones. I'm just going to intertwine the two, kind of. So these shimmer shades definitely have quite a bit of fallout for sure. Maybe let me try doing my finger with this one. Oh yeah, that's working. There's still mad fallout with my finger though. I wish the camera was picking this up for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. That's all fallout. I just hope that this doesn't fall out on my face all day long. It's like what I'm worried about. Okay, so I'm taking Surf Rider right here with my finger, so it's a little bit darker as well. And I'm just adding that all the way to the end with my finger and kind of intertwining with that middle shade. Next, I'm just going to take Golden Rush right here. And I'm going to start popping that kind of right in the crease. And then I'm just going to drag this shade out to kind of give this look a cat eye illusion-ish. Just gonna dust away any fallout for like the 10th time. That shimmer, it was just this foiled Diego shade that had hella fallout, like it wouldn't stop. Other than that, all the other shadows were bomb. They played out amazing. I'm just gonna do the lower lash line real quick. I think I'm just gonna use the shade the Bay right here, which is the lightest shade in the palette, and kind of drag it up and connect it with the outer corner of the shadow. I just don't want to take away from the top of the eye, so I'm just like neutralizing the lower lash line. So I definitely want to add a wing liner to this look. Today I'll be using the e.l.f. Jet Black Liquid Liner. You guys already know this is my go-to. I use it for like every one of my videos. So I'm just going to start on the outer corner. One wing down, one more to go. I'm about to finish off this wing off camera. And I'm also going to be applying my Dodo lashes in the style D115. These lashes are so bomb. Like, look at how wispy these are. I feel like these are gonna look so cute with this look. They're just so flirty. So I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back and with my lashes. I'm so obsessed with these lashes. I feel like they look absolutely stunning with this look. Super flirty. You just gotta push them up a tiny bit. So now that the lashes are on, we can actually see the look. I am obsessed with the eyes. I feel like the palette is amazing. For the price point, the California Love palette retails for $18. We have 12 shades and highly pigmented. The shimmers, oh, they're so beautiful. And there's no fallout once it's applied and dusted away. Like, I don't see any shimmer fallout on my lashes. The 2 mascaras go for $8 each, and the 5 ultra matte blotted lips are $7 each. So I'm now going to apply the mascara. I'm going to use the Brownie Points one because I don't want to do anything too crazy. The other mascara is a pink one. The packaging is adorable. I love the top of the mascara. Like, look at the design. So cute. Oh, I love it. The formula is amazing and the wand is so nice. It really separates out your hair so there's not like any big clumps. And yeah, I really like the pigmentation of that mascara. Before we move on to the lips, I just want to add some blush. So I'm going to be mixing my 2 Tarte blushes. These are the 2 that I'll be mixing. This is Genius and this is Royal. And I'm just going to be using my Firma 102 blush brush. And then I'm also just going to add a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. But first, I'm just going to set my face. And today I'm using the Pixi Rose Glow Mist. This mist is so amazing. And then I'll just take my beauty sponge and just start pressing this right into the skin. And then I'm just going to highlight with my Morphe JH09 brush. Okay. This is glowing. Like, what? Amrezy did that shit. I haven't used this highlight in a hot minute, and I was like, let me pull it out for today's video, because I like tend to use the same products over and over again when I'm not filming, but when I film, I want to get like out of my comfort zone. So I'll pull products that I haven't used in a while, and wow, this needs to go back on top of my vanity, because damn, bitch was not playing. Alright, so now that my lips are wiped clean, I feel like this one's pretty. I'm gonna go in with the shade Cypress Chill. She's cute. Alright guys, so this is the lip color, the palette on my eyes, and the lower lash mascara. I am absolutely obsessed with this collection, guys. I think the price point is there, the formula is there, the payoff is there, the quality is there, the packaging is there, like everything about this collection is bomb. These blotted lips, it feels like there's nothing on my lips right now, and it's so lightweight. It's beautiful. It's honestly so beautiful. It's better than a velvet. It's better than a matte. This formula is amazing. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed. I can actually just do a quick swatch of the lips on my arms for you guys. So this color right here is called Swing Away. I did it like it's such an awkward spot. And then we have Oha there. It takes a little bit to build up the formula on your lip, but they're not patchy at all once you do apply them on the lip. So that was Oha there. This is Double Double. Since they are so lightweight, it's hard to get a good swatch on my arm, but that is Double Double. And then the shade that I have right now is on my lips. And then I have one more. So this is the last shade. This is called Scenic Route, and this is the most neutral one. I'll also swatch the one I have on my lips just so you can see how this one swatches on my arm as well, because the swatches really don't even do justice to the pigment on my lip. So this is the one that I'm wearing right now, and like look at the pigment on my lip compared to the swatch on my arm. But yeah, these are the shades. I love the way it wears on my lips. I'm obsessed with the collection. Definitely cop it and use my discount code 5 BiancaAlexx. I'll leave it on the screen right here for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, this review, this video, this try on. I'm gonna go do my hair and situate my life. And until next time, I'll see you guys all on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.